For quite some time, Tesla's new semi-truck has been the buzz of the town. In reality, production is set to begin very soon, as Tesla's new $2.4 billion facilities prepare to manufacture these epic trucks. The budget and scope of this project will leave you speechless, at least I think so be prepared to be astonished. What all exactly is this electric semi-truck and what makes it unique? What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today, in this video, we will talk about Tesla's new $2.4 billion semi-truck factory. I suggest you stick to the end of the video to not miss this interesting update. This monster EV was initially unveiled in 2017. The specs promised stunned everybody in the automobile industry. I mean, it's got a 500-mile range, incredible charging speeds that'll allow the truck to cruise through a range of 400 miles in just 30 minutes of charging through one of the mega chargers. However, updates on the semi-electric truck have been pretty sparse over the past few years. Although the Model S and the Model 3 have made incredible breakthroughs in the last couple of years. This has been very understandable, in my opinion. The semi-truck's production date was slated for 2019, however, it's been pushed back a couple of times. There is a massive assembly line near Tesla's Gigafactory in Nevada. These trucks have been in the works for a long time. See, the manufacturer of semi-trucks was set to meet the lofty targets, but through a lot of roadblocks, like a global pandemic, they've been hampered through their process. The Tesla semi-truck is meant to obliterate all traditional models. It's an all-electric 4-motor monster truck. This semi is for everybody who wants to spice up their life with a bit of a wacky twist. Let's start with the fundamentals. Semi, like the Model 3, is powered by 4 strong electric motors, each of which powers a drive wheel. This design provides excellent traction control, as well as the benefit of regenerative braking without the need for a trailer. This electric vehicle can go from 0 to 60 miles an hour in less than 5 seconds. No surprise, Tesla has a reputation like this for individuals who are curious about how the electric vehicle would operate with such a load. Musk had to answer for that as well. The semi is projected to hit 60 miles an hour with an 80,000-pound load in 20 frickin' seconds. Yeah. So, as previously stated, the vehicle's range is an excellent steal. And what more could you want from an electric truck to add to the thrilling features? Tesla also guarantees 1 million miles. At this point, it's impossible to predict what Tesla's hidden in its magical mystical vaults. I mean, there are several electric trucks on the market, but none of them can compete with the Tesla Semi's unparalleled efficiency, speed, performance, and also safety features. This EV is projected to eat up any other prospective competitors that may emerge in the near or even distant future. It's presently being manufactured in Nevada in a fresh new plant near Tesla's existing Gigafactory. Aren't you curious to see Tesla's new and gleaming factory? If it's what you're looking for, well, we're here to provide it. Buckle your seatbelts, boyos. We're heading to a tour of this semi-truck facility that's got everybody talking. According to the information provided by Electric, Tesla is preparing to build a new production line in Sparks, Nevada. This facility is being built near a Tesla warehouse in the same area where the plan was approved by Tesla in 2020. Reliable sources have confirmed that the structure is a low-volume semi-truck production plant. It should also be mentioned that this new production line is being built near the Gigafactory in Nevada, which, by the way, is one of the world's largest architectural constructions. This is the facility where Tesla manufactures its battery packs, its cells, drive units, and energy storage devices. In late 2019 or early 2020, a new factory was observed near the Gigafactory. And as of that year, the site was still under construction, and no one could actually confirm whether it was for the production of electric semis. However, in March of this year, Electric was able to establish that the factory would indeed be used for low-volume fabrication of semis. Tesla had previously stated that they would only produce in limited quantities in 2020. However, it never occurs when the structure is completed. The plant is projected to have a weekly production capacity of 5 semi-electric trucks. Would you consider 5 trucks per week? Tesla is nothing if not ambitious. Elon Musk has even stated that Tesla may potentially produce 100,000 electric semi-trucks per year. The factory's reported size is 500,000 square feet. And although numerous proposals have been proposed, it appears that Tesla intends to move a greater volume of manufacturing of the trucks to the Gigafactory in Austin. This will occur once Giga Austin's battery production has been increased. Oh, and Tesla announced Austin as the location for its future Gigafactory in early 2020, and the development of the area has been pretty brisk, some would say. Here, a 2,000-acre mega project has been greatly publicized, and this is the manufacturing space where the much-anticipated Cybertruck and the semi-truck are slated to be created. Giga Austin is Tesla's first Gigafactory from the ground up, with commercial production of various EV models planned. This will undoubtedly be a massive undertaking that'll go down in history. According to recent reports, the Gigafactory has attracted a large number of workers and suppliers. Let's see how this massive project works out, though. According to a tiny study, Tesla may build roughly 50 semis by the end of the year, even though the initial objective was very lofty. It's really starting to bite now, though. The truck production is being pushed back and forth. There have been various causes for the Tesla's electric semi-trucks production's delay, but the fundamental issue is considerable. Why is a semi-truck's release date being pushed back yet again? First, let's be clear about Tesla's electric semi's schedule. Prototypes of this electric vehicle were displayed in 2017, and the business claimed that production would begin in 2019. The production then was initially pushed back to 2020 due to unknown challenges. Musk indicated in an email to Tesla employees that volume of manufacturing of the semis will begin soon, and deliveries are scheduled to be were scheduled in 2021. This occurred in 2020, despite the fact that there was no strong evidence for actual construction of these trucks. People were excited about the company's launch into the market, only to be disappointed yet again. If you're wondering why people are suddenly anticipating the arrival of the electric semi-truck, that is, another key piece of information is required around the beginning of the year, right around March. PepsiCo said in a statement that it expects to get 15 semi-trucks by the end of the year. Isn't that exciting? But for the time being, let's concentrate on the issues that are causing the manufacturing to be delayed. So what is the main difficulty that's impeding this production? Apparently, the scarcity of battery cells is a critical concern. Musk revealed that the advanced tablets, the 4860 cells, were in short supply. They're required, though, for the production of the semi-trucks. These cells are critical to the truck's construction, and Tesla's now focusing on producing as many of these battery packs and cells as basically feasible. The battery pack is truly unique. It appears that these cells have fewer elements than typical battery cells, which is impressive. As a result, they are significantly lighter. They also claim many times more energy storage capacity. Tesla's ZVC ranges will be extended even further with these massive battery packs, and they'll also cost less energy to create than the present cells. Isn't now the time for a catch, though? The Gigafactory in Austin is ramping up cell manufacturing so that semi-truck volume production can be relocated to Austin. Musk tweeted earlier this year about the cell shortage and how it'll be different next year. We'd like to think so as well. In July, Tesla issued a formal statement confirming that the semi-truck will not be available until the following year. According to sources, the drive cells production line for the truck's been completed. The low-volume assembly line now requires attention, and one cannot overlook the global pandemic, which has played a significant part in dampening all types of firms. Certainly, the pandemic has played a pretty large role in Tesla's semi-production delay, with shipment issues occurring all over the world. With issues like regional permitting on the rise, Tesla would have a difficult time getting started on large-scale projects. Several prototypes of the semi-truck have been observed over the years. Although no official release date has ever been announced, chances are strong that by mid-2022, there would be a large number of semis on the road in the United States. That's gotta be a fun ride. So what are your thoughts on the new factory near Giga, Nevada? Do you believe Tesla will continue to produce in small quantities, or are they going to start mass producing them like COVID masks? We're curious to know about it too, so let us know what you think in the comment section below.